We can all go to the store and buy a variety of meatballs, but can they be better? The Gardein meatballs use a soy textured vegetable protein, and they also use some vital wheat gluten, whereas the Jack and Annie's uses some binding agents and some jackfruit. So both are some great options to use, and we're gonna try them out. All we're doing is we're simply flattening out each meatball, adding some mozzarella in the middle, and then folding it back up into that meatball shape. When it comes to cooking, just add some tomato sauce. I'm using a sauce that's got a little bit of spice to it because who doesn't enjoy a little bit of spice? So each of these meatballs are absolutely delicious. They're fantastic. I'm able to work with both of them because they have enough stickiness to bring the meatballs back together after add the mozzarella. But to me, adding the mozzarella is just a game changer, because who doesn't want some of that melted, gooey, delicious mozzarella cheese with each bite of their meatballs? Instead of having to put it on top, it's right in the middle. So the Gardein meatballs, they're fantastic. I like that it has some of the spices in it, like fennel, things like that. And the Jack and Annie's, this was the first time I've actually had them, and it was definitely a good meatball. I would say that the Gardein makes more of a, in my mind, a more normal beef meatball, but Jack and Annie's is just as good.